got civilians over here screaming for help. I can see them. Just stay there. I repeat, there's civilians screaming for help, guys. Hey, we got people trapped in the basement as well, they're telling me.
You hold this ladder.
Yeah,
I
go.
gotta get down there.
Go. Go. Go, I got it. You're not going nowhere. I got it. I'm telling you, go. Hey, you want me to come down and help? Come on, I got it. Come on. Grab her. Grab her. All right. Got her. I got her. You okay? Go ahead, go. We got it, Joe. We got it. Okay, dear.
Oh my God.
Come on. Let's just get her away from her. Her leg. You okay, ma'am? You okay? Just breathe.
I'm sorry.
Just breathe.
Hang out.
Breathe. You okay? We gotta go back. Just breathe, ma'am. Just breathe. Gas leak. We got a gas leak, guys.
Anybody else inside, Brett?
We don't know yet. You back up for me, please.
I'm a police too.
Okay.
All right.
Gas! You got a gas leak!